My name is Jurij Meden. I work as a film curator. I'm currently employed by the Austrian Film Museum in Vienna, and I'm here in Ljubljana at the FeKK Festival of Short Films as a member of international jury, and I just delivered a lecture about the role and responsibility of film curators in the early 21st century in an era marked by climate change and many other similar calamities. So I was basically talking about the social responsibility of our profession.